Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove the Audi A4 B7 front grille, full guide. Start by parking on level ground and disconnecting the battery to prevent electrical issues. Gather trim tools, a torque set, and a soft cloth to protect painted surfaces. I'll walk you through fasteners, clips, and how to avoid broken tabs. Stay calm, follow each step, and I'll explain what to pull, pry, and torque for a clean removal. Warm up your workspace and lay out tools within reach so you won't scramble mid-job. Remove any debris or ice that could hide screws and clips. Label screws as you remove them to remember their exact positions later. Work slowly around the edges where plastic tabs are fragile and prone to snapping. If a clip resists, pause and reassess instead of forcing it to preserve original parts for reinstallation. Begin by loosening top screws under the hood, then slide the upper edge free while supporting the grille. Work down to the bumper area, popping clips in order to avoid bending tabs. Carefully unclip any electrical connectors like fog lights and sensors using a small flat tool to depress locking tabs. Keep removed fasteners organized and inspect plastic clips for wear, replacing as needed to ensure a snug refit later.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.